Oukitel OT8 Tablet 11-inch is equipped with most stable Android 13 system. The system maximizes user experience and user privacy protection, making it more convenient and enjoyable to use. Equipped with dual-core A75 1.6 GHz plus 6-core A55 1.6 GHz and Unisoc octa-core processor. With 11-inch FHD plus 1219/20 display, Oukitel OT8 cheap tablet immerses you in vibrant color and stunning detail. Activate the eye care mode, reduce eye fatigue. Oukitel OT8 tablet PC support Win 1 Lyra certification, allowing you to enjoy high-definition video. The screen aspect ratio of up to 81% gives you a clear, wider field of view that is a good companion for learning, work, videos, and games. Measuring just 7.8 mm in thickness and with dimensions of height 256.8 mm x width 168.3 mm, the Oukitel OT8 boasts a sleek and portable design that's easy to take with you wherever you go. Oukitel OT8 tablets with SIM card slot supports 5G Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, OTG, Type-C charging port and 3.5mm earphone jack. For global navigation systems, GPS plus GLONASS plus Galileo plus Beidou, which brings more convenience to your life. 4G dual SIM card supports. You can insert 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM plus 1 TF card at the same time as a smartphone. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts.